Hi all, today I have this Yato. I think it's Poland production. I mean it's Chinese, but it comes from the Poland. It's very popular there, I think so. So what I'm gonna try is to run this tool with the Parkside battery. Okay, I have created this 3D adapter, which will allows me to put this battery here and put it there, so you can see it. This is air pump, so, I mean, but you can run whatever you want on our side. This is custom made 4 amp hour Parkside battery, so as you can see it's running fine. Those batteries are pretty similar, as you can see, but if you try to put this directly here, it will not run. So yeah, that's why you need this thing. Okay. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.